My people, Bobrisky don't come again, no. Hey, now wow, one that true no go ever end for this life. Now Bobrisky they plan to travel. Relax, so he said he said they go Colombia next year, this 2021 like this. Im mind don already, in fact nobody fit change im mind again. Say they go Colombia, say next time wey una go see am, he go get some nice garden. No more gundus for am. And this one now, he inspiration come after he see one guy. The guy go do im gender, he go change completely. So he don bring am outside, come dey tell us say since this guy fit do this thing, change im sex, you understand, and he no die, because that thing dey risky o. He say since the guy do am, he no die, he come out alive, na him be say e own too must happen the same way. My people, no be small matter. And now for all of una wey dey confused, because many people just dey disturb my ear. Madam Aproko, Bobrisky na man abi na woman? I don bring am come una now. He still be man, but now e dey go change now. Na this time around he go turn woman complete. Go get complete breast, complete, you understand, those other parts too. So as he talk this thing now, my people, everybody come dey blast Bobrisky o, say he no get sense, say this one. And now because of many talk wey dey go around, na so Bobrisky just relax. He come talk say okay, say him get talk, him get word for all of us wey dey judge am. He say before we judge am, abeg make we lis ten to wetin he need to talk. Now I bring am come una side, and him talk say since wey him be 25 years old, him be man. Say nothing to show for it o. Nothing to show, him just be man. The one wey even shock me pass, Bobrisky even open mouth come dey talk say say even him certificate no give am job. Abeg which certificate? He talk say him go Unilag, University of Lagos, say him study accounting. Ewo, hey Bob, na wow. Abeg all of una wey dey Unilag, assemble una sef for here, because me I no wan shout today o. I no come here come shout. So make una, if you know say you be Bobrisky classmate, come this table now, because me and una get serious talk. If you know say, abeg write am for the comment section. I wan dey sure say this guy no dey lie, because I no believe am. I no believe am. You study accounting. Abeg which kind accounting? Gender accounting or cross-dressing accounting? Which one? Because I no know. See person wey study accounting, my people. Abeg all this speech wey dey give us now, wetin be the moral value? No, wetin we suppose learn now from this one? Yes o, because she just dey turn our head. And now they come ask am say, okay, why you can't do this thing? Why you can't change? Why you can't change from man to woman? He come open him mouth, come still dey tell us say the time wey him be man completely, you know say now na half. He say the time wey him be man, he dey see him female friends dey go out, when they dey come back, better money, all those plenty things. Now na so why I always dey talk she? Bia make Bobrisky warn himself, no come dey change my mind. Him come talk say him go house, sit down, strategize, plan in life. Him come say okay, wetin fit work for me now, since I get some women futures for my body. Him come talk say okay, him go turn cross dresser, gay. Na so him come balance. Na from there, and now he start dey use expensive bleaching creams. He say na from there endorsements come dey come, people come dey call am for different jobs. I no come understand. No, my people, make e no be say na me just dey talk. I still, na why I bring am come for now. And now the matter wey dey worry me for this one be say, Bobrisky, see, you dey change God's plan o. Maybe God don write am down say you go use your gundus impregnate person, wey the person go fit dey useful. Because see, any human being wey dey this world, God get plan for am. So now Bobrisky don dey change God's plan like this. Your gundus now you dey go through am. Hey, now my people, see, even to talk, I no even fit talk. This matter, e still dey do me somehow for body. And this kind person now, una go dey worship am, una go dey give am inspirational things, una go dey say una dey proud of am. Wetin una dey proud for dis thing? Wetin now? Wetin? No, make una tell me. Wetin she why always dey talk she? Wetin dis guy come dey tell us now be say any man wey dey look for job wey no see job turn to cross-dresser. Yes, because he say he dey find job, he no see job, he dey broke since 25 years old. Na dis thing come give am money, so he dey try tell una. God save some people say they no be my boyfriend. Because now una go dey cause this society, una go dey leave us boyfriends less. Imagine say all the men come turn to Bobrisky. Na be say problem dey o. Serious problem go dey. All this thing wey this person talk now, na only one word I find inside: laziness. You too dey lazy. You no even fit pursue money. Okay, as you don dey change to woman now, say you no dey see money because you be man. As you be woman, no be man go still give you money. No be man go still give you this money. No be about being woman o. Because many of una don dey carry this thing for una head, say women always dey enjoy money. Before woman go see money the way una dey think am, she need compromise. If you no compromise, you no go see money. You understand? And for una, I don bring word for una. All of una wey dey there dey shout say, don't judge Bobrisky, leave Bobrisky, this one. See, the thunder wey dey charge for una. No, relax. Now una fit talk, una fit open mouth. No worry. Now when una nephews, una sons, una cousins go start dey behave like Bobrisky, na that time una go understand why we dey shout. Imagine person wan go change im whole body to woman. The part wey I dey wait for, I no even feel wait again. I dey wait for her like make she give birth, abi make she carry belle. Serious problem. Abeg bring this girl, bring this man outside. Bob, my guy. See, all the people wey dey advise you, say make you turn to woman. For your mind now, you dey happy. They no love you o. See, now your downfall, they push you. They just dey push you inside your downfall like this. For your mind now, they love you. These people, they fit die for you anytime. See, time still dey for you to change. Change your ways. Now you still have time o. You still have time o, Bob. Repent o, before e go too late. My people, now the matter be this. I don't know wetin to do again to make this man change his mind. Because the one wey go shele, if this thing succeed, Nigerian government, una no dey hear me now. If Bobrisky succeed do this thing, make una just dey ready, because Nigeria never even fall finish. Nigeria go fall patapata, baje. E go shele for una eye. And my prayer, una wey dey in power, una wey get power to change this thing, to punish this guy, and una no dey do am. I just dey pray, say may God just give una small taste of this medicine. Maybe one of una pikin go just wan be like that. Because una no dey hear until the thing hit una before una go stand up. Now, no be una consignment, no be una business. Make una continue, no worry. Now here we dey, now here I go still bring una matter when e shele. My people, which word una get for Bobrisky? I need know, so that him go know. Write am for the comment section, because this one wey about to happen na terrific. Na bomb. So anything wey you know say you want tell am, any advice, any suggestion, abeg drop am for the comment section and share this video, so that wherever him dey, if he change him mind, even though I know say nothing will make am change him mind, but we still dey pray for am. You understand? Yes, share this video and don't forget subscribe if you never subscribe. It is very, very important. I love you guys. I will see you later.